A recipe for stuffed mushrooms. Stuffed mushrooms. Ingredients: 12 large white mushrooms, 4 ounces, 1/2 cup, cream cheese, softened, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 1/4 cup breadcrumbs, 2 cloves garlic, minced, 2 tablespoons fresh parsley, chopped, 1 tablespoon olive oil, salt and pepper to taste, fresh dill, for garnish, optional. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. Clean the mushrooms by wiping them with a damp cloth or paper towel to remove any dirt. Carefully remove the stems from the mushrooms and set them aside. You can use a small spoon or knife to hollow out the mushrooms slightly if needed. In a mixing bowl, combine the softened cream cheese, grated Parmesan cheese, breadcrumbs, minced garlic, chopped fresh parsley, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Mix until all the ingredients are well combined. Take each mushroom cap and stuff it generously with the cream cheese mixture. Press the mixture down slightly to ensure it's packed. Place the stuffed mushrooms on a baking sheet or in a baking dish, spacing them evenly. Bake in the preheated oven for about 20 to 25 minutes or until the mushrooms are tender and the stuffing is golden brown. Remove the stuffed mushrooms from the oven and let them cool for a few minutes. Garnish with fresh parsley if desired, and serve hot. Nutritional benefits. Stuffed mushrooms, when prepared with this recipe, offer a tasty appetizer with some nutritional benefits. Mushrooms. Mushrooms are low in calories and provide fiber, vitamins, such as vitamin D and B vitamins, and minerals, like selenium. They are also known for their potential immune-boosting and antioxidant properties. Cream cheese. Cream cheese provides creaminess to the filling and is a source of fat and protein. It also contains some vitamins and minerals, including calcium. Parmesan cheese. Parmesan cheese adds a savory, nutty flavor and contributes calcium and protein to the dish. Breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs give the stuffing a nice texture but should be used in moderation as they can add carbohydrates and calories. Garlic and fresh herbs. Garlic and fresh parsley not only enhance the flavor but also provide potential health benefits, including antimicrobial properties and essential vitamins. Olive oil. Olive oil adds healthy fats and a pleasant richness to the stuffing. Enjoy these stuffed mushrooms as a delicious appetizer, but be mindful of portion sizes, especially if you're watching your calorie intake. To join the channel for tasty food and a healthy lifestyle, you can subscribe to our channel and unlock a world of culinary delights and wellness tips. Unlock a world of knowledge, inspiration, and entertainment by subscribing to our channel today, and join a community of curious minds on a journey towards limitless possibilities. I appreciate you taking
An easy recipe for preparing avocado and tomato salad for dinner. Our Farm's Kitchen presents 2 ripe avocados, diced, 2 medium tomatoes, diced, 1 small red onion, thinly sliced, 1/4 cup fresh cilantro leaves, chopped, 2 tablespoons extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. In a large bowl, combine the diced avocados, tomatoes, red onion, and cilantro. In a separate small bowl, whisk together the lime juice, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Pour the dressing over the avocado and tomato mixture. Gently toss to coat all the ingredients evenly. Let the salad sit for about 10 minutes to allow the flavors to meld together. Serve the avocado and tomato salad as a side dish or on top of a bed of greens. Now, let's talk about the nutritional benefits of this salad. Avocado. Avocados are rich in healthy monounsaturated fats, which can help lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are also a good source of fiber, vitamin K, vitamin E, vitamin C, and several B vitamins. Tomato. Tomatoes are packed with vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin A, potassium, and folate. They are also an excellent source of lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may have numerous health benefits, including reducing the risk of certain cancers and heart disease. Red onion. Red onions are low in calories and a good source of fiber, vitamin C, and antioxidants. They also contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory and antihistamine properties. Cilantro. Cilantro is a herb that adds a fresh and zesty flavor to the salad. It contains vitamins A, C, and K, as well as antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation and promote healthy digestion. Lime juice. Lime juice is rich in vitamin C and adds a tangy flavor to the salad. Vitamin C is essential for a healthy immune system and is also involved in collagen production, wound healing, and iron absorption. Olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a heart-healthy fat that contains monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. It can help reduce inflammation, lower the risk of heart disease, and improve cholesterol levels. Overall, this avocado and tomato salad provides a combination of healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a nutritious and delicious addition to your dinner. Thank you for choosing our channel to watch. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for watching more videos from our media productions.